Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you stone art ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, first idea is fun for kids. This student craft is fun for kids. Use bright color and simple designs. Make animals like ladybug and being skillfully enjoy this activity. Easy, fun and creative. And friends, the next idea is viewers. Creative ideas. Let's try creative stone craft ideas. Use different sizes of stone. Make face, house or mini skins. Mix color and design. Each piece looks unique and beautiful. And friends, next area is beavers. Candle holder ideas. Today we make a stone crafts candle holder ideas to round with small candles. Glue them carefully to make a shape. It looks warm and elegant, perfect for table decoration. And friends, next idea is beavers. I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.